Hey guys! Welcome to my channel! Today we're going to make Filipino street food fridge magnets using air-dry clay. This type of clay is to leave hardens when exposed to open air, so it's best to work on it in portions. Let's seal this properly and set aside for later use. First step, we need to prepare our clay. I make sure that my clay is soft enough by kneading it properly and applying water if needed. The technique I use is to apply water, then fold. Then repeat until I get the right consistency. This process is important before molding it to your desired shape. To avoid breakage and cracks during the drying process. And now, we roll. For even thickness, I use a 6 mm thick acrylic guide. And then I use a damp foam to smoothen the surface. Now that it's ready, let's make our first design. A sunny side up. I use the old one I made as a guide to make sure the size is even. And this recycled glue cap for the yolk's shape. I make sure to smoothen out the sides and surface. Now, we're going to stick the egg white and the yolk together. When sticking two shapes together, it's recommended to score the area where you want to stick the other shape. Scoring basically is creating a rough patch just like this one, and then I use a slip to glue them together. A slip is a liquefied clay. Just combine clay and water. I add texture to make it more realistic. Now, I'm making holes for the magnets. I want to put in 2 magnets to ensure strong hold. I prefer to stick the magnets once the clay has totally dries up. This ensures no moisture gets trapped around the magnets, which can cause rust. Let's do the rest of it. Now, we're going to make some isaw. To my non-Filipino viewers, isaw is a grilled chicken intestine. It is a famous Filipino street food. I usually start by cutting the clay into strips. And then I start pressing and rolling. This one is very easy to make. I just roll the clay to at least 7 mm in size, then fold it to form a wave. When molding an air-dry clay, it is recommended to add at least 1 mm to the actual size. It is because air-dry clay shrinks during the drying process. We don't want our designs to be too small once they've completely dried. And then I put in the stick. And of course, I don't want to forget to press the magnet while the clay is still soft. The next street food we're going to make is Betamax. This one is much easier as we only need to cut the clay in cube. I put 3 cubes into the stick, and then I add textures. By the way, Batamax is grilled pig's blood or chicken blood cut into cubes. This is also a famous Filipino street food. Another one is grilled hot dogs. This is just a basic hot dog on stick, but grilled. Honestly, food tastes better when grilled. Maybe because the smoke adds aroma and taste to it. It's kwek kwek time. This is my all-time favorite street food. Kwek kwek is a deep-fried quail eggs coated in orange batter. It tastes best when freshly cooked and partnered with spicy vinegar with lots of onion and cucumber bits. Lastly, we're making hot dog sandwiches. I made an oblong shape for the buns. I sliced it in the middle but leaving the bottom part intact. I put some slip to glue the hot dog on the buns. And of course, don't forget the details. Now, we're putting a thin strip on top. This will serve as the ketchup or mustard sauce. So cute! Let's make more! Ta-da! We successfully made hot dog sandwiches. Here's everything we made for 8 hours. Thanks for tuning in. And see you again next time where we apply colors to these cute designs. Bye!